Okay, Peter's just going to show us around his own ute now with his own system on the ute. So take it away, Peter. Yep.
So I haven't bought a new car for 15 years, bought the 200 series, and I was trying to work out of a trade back ute for the last 15 years, and I needed as much space as a trade back. So the main reasons I went with it was storage capacity, and I was over handles. So every morning I'd go to work, open the fridge up, put my food in. Every day I've done that for 3 years. Right, door's still going. Throw the hand dog in, and we go to work. You know, every day the hand dog comes to work.
Yep.
So basically every time I go to a job, I open nearly every compartment in my ute.
Yep.
This is the new dual action lock we've got. The reason that's the first stage, that's the second stage.
Yep.
The main reason we went to that was it was very hard to push over the one stage on a single latch door.
Yeah.
So that there now stays open. It says that the status of the door is open until
Yep.
we go to the next stage.
Yep. Excellent.
We've done that on this door as well. So if I just slow that down, all right, that's locked, but it's on the first stage.
Yep.
All right, so you can drive around for like that and you probably won't lose the door, but you want that extra compression when you go to the second stage, it's all over.
And then the light goes out.
Light goes out, you know, the door's closed on the screen, the
Yep.
light goes off. I've used, because it was a converted wagon,
Yep.
I've used the light of the tailgate to actually be the status to say, are the doors open or closed?
Yep. Yep.
So the next thing we've got is, let's put this away.
Yes, right.
The drawer. The drawer's my probably coolest part of the ute. All right, no one even knows that the drawer's there because there is no handles.
Yep.
All right, I've been driving around and using it like that for the last 3 years, and I don't treat it with any respect. I drive it, I use it, all right? Same with the back door. You know, this is a little bit different design. The locks are on the bottom. The door does close different to the locks on the side. It's a bit stiffer, the door. The stiffer the doors are, the better it does work. So that's a little bit of a design thing. Every builder's going to build doors different and boxes different, which will change how the locks work.
Yep.
So the same thing on this side. You know, it's the same thing. Every day I go to work, I'm using every door. I'm using all the benches. I'm using everything. So I've used it. Like I say, it's not a brand new car anymore. The beauty I really liked about it was I was able to run a full-length drawer in my toolbox. If I had handles, I would have had to lose 100 mil on each side for the handles to work.
Absolutely. Yep.
With the tap of door handles, which was one of the key features on the 200s, the whole canopy is locked. So basically you close the doors and you can just lock the car. Whoop, car's not locked because there's something open. So I've designed mine that if it's not locked, it will not close the canopy up. So basically I've checked it, everything's locked, I can lock the car, keep moving.
Yep.
But the beauty about when you're on the marina or somewhere doing work, you don't need to go and lock every compartment. You can just tap the door and the car, you just go walk away from it.
Yeah.
You want to go fishing for the weekend, you've got all your gear in the car. The last thing you want to do is have to lock every compartment.
Yeah,
and,
100%.
And as you've seen, because the vehicle wasn't in the status to close the doors, it wouldn't let me lock the car.
No.
That's something we've given the option of that you can either have it like that or you can have it the other way. You can still lock the car and then have one door open. You know, those for campers and stuff, they want to lock the car but not lock the canopy.
Yep.
So those are the two.
You can still have
scenarios.
those options. Yeah.
Yeah, so those are the different scenarios we've played with, and we've tried to tailor to what people want to do.
No, that's great.
Yeah.
That's awesome, Peter. No, thanks for
Cheers.